If you noticed already, yeah, I had a haircut and I also had a like shave. And yeah, that's not today's topic. So today I woke up at 5:40 and I rushed towards my gym. After a long time, I hit gym and it was a great experience. Uh, I missed my friend Rakshan because he used to come with me for gym and yeah, he will join me very soon. Uh, and today my day was bit uh, hectic. Still, I'm bit stressed. I just few moments ago I spoke to my best friend and I also spoke to other friends. Uh, so my current situation is I'm bit too much worried about my all my work because I have too much to do and my things are not going as planned today because in my internship there are so many things which are totally uncertain and I have to work I have to put quality work in less time and it's taking too much efforts for me and I will do it anyway because even this will pass and now I have to sleep because tomorrow morning at like I have to wake up early. So apart from that, I just wanted to give a count of my LinkedIn following because I do that always. So my current LinkedIn following is 543. YouTube is 649 and Instagram is uh, one moment. My Instagram is 574 and today I had a collab with Gigzoa, which is a Indian freelancing platform. They wanted me to make a video sharing my freelancing experience, any reel they wanted me to make, and I did one reel, and uh, it was my first Instagram collaboration with the brand, and it was a great experience because they published it today, and I was waiting when they are gonna publish, and they use that Instagram collab feature, and that reel is posted in my account and that account as well. And apart from that, today morning my day started with the LinkedIn message where a person named Gurunath thanks me by reading my article where I written about my future version, and he says that because of that article he was able to dream big. And apart from that, my entire morning went in Clappingo session. I had purchased like month course that and instead of using it daily, I used it at once 5 sessions. It was a great experience because I like used back to back, and uh, even I noticed one more thing. To use this app effectively, I have to make notes, like at least where I am missing, so that next day I can correct. Because there are too many things, too many correction which my teacher said, which I said okay at that, but I didn't note it anywhere, and that's why I think I'm still losing an opportunity to improve my fluency. So yeah, that was about it. And today my friend finished editing of that Tanmay Tate video, and that podcast is really great, and I will be posting it very soon. And I also wanted to tell you that I am super happy to join Clappingo as an intern. I am like I took part as a marketing intern, and I can't share anything else than this because I promised them to keep this confidential. So, and so far I am having a great experience being an intern at Clappingo. Uh, Initially, I was their student of their platform. I'm still a student of their platform. I am working on my English fluency, but I loved that company so much that I applied for its internship, and right now I am a marketing intern. And yeah, that's about it. And tomorrow is one of my greatest day, because I'm also gonna, there is one of my favorite CEO who I wanted to work with as a content writer. So I will be having a discussion with her, and I will tell you more about it tomorrow. So that's about my day. I have to organize many things, because there are some things which are going out of my control, and I don't want to miss out on that. And for in my life, there is right now there is no Sunday, because the thing I'm doing is, it feels like I'm hustling every single day. Even the Sunday I work, because it gives me some competitive advantage. Not because of that. My workload is that much. Yeah, I can't even rest on Sundays. So that's about my day. I'm feeling sleepy, so I won't speak for long, and I will end this conversation here. So thank you so much for watching. I just forgot, today I had a clapping session with Mega, Abhishek, Kim Ji, and and few others. I just forgot the name, and I also forgot the count. Yeah, that's about for today, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me daily speaking in front of camera, because even I am not watching my videos again, because I will watch it some days else. And yeah, it means a lot to me for your support, because one day you will know how I passed, how I reached to a certain extent from passing through all these days. There are some also other key learnings which I will tell some other day. So that's about today. Have a nice day, everyone. Good night. And one more reason all my work were pretty much messed up is because of my internet connection. Even though I have a great 100 Mbps connection, today I don't know what happened to my connection. Because of that, I couldn't attend some Zoom meeting, and because of that, most of my tasks are pending, because all my editors, tools, everything is online, and I love to use online tools. Even for writing, I use Google Docs, and yeah, I am not giving some kind of excuses, but it happened for first time with me, and that's why my schedule got bit messed up. And yeah, I just wanted to add it in the end, because I just forgot to tell about my internet connection, which is very important, because today most of my things got delayed and my day turned out to be pretty unproductive just because of this internet connection.